That took some time. In retrospect, I wish I did a bit more of my maths homework, because I recently heard someone saying it's called show business for a reason. Business is 50% of that phrase. I think I started like bright-eyed, bushy-tailed, hopeless romantic artist. You start with those dreams. It doesn't take a lot of time for you to be hit by realities like, I need to pay my debit orders, I need to pay whatever, and then there's like, oh, okay, there's a job. It's not just romanticism. I think it's a very healthy realization. We do live in a monetary world as well. I think it's taken some time. I've learned from other producers. I'm lucky enough to have friends in different fields. I've got a friend who is finance, in law, in wherever. So I try and almost, like, there's this book, Steal as an Artist, Steal like an Artist, but I kind of try and learn everywhere I go.
Hi, I'm Steve Rodgers. I hope you're enjoying the show. If you'd like to hear more from thought leaders, executives, CEOs, entrepreneurs, click on the link below and subscribe. We'd love to have you join us.